Notifications Center is the main hub for alerts about your announcements, diagnostic trouble codes, equipment management, file management, geofence and curfew, machine maintenance, org management, pest management, reports, and scouting. Each notification has one of 4 types of severity assigned to it: information only, low urgency, medium urgency, or high urgency. In Notification Center, users can view their notification history. When selecting the date range, by default, it will be set to a rolling 7 days. Users can choose the time frame using the presets today, yesterday, rolling 7 or 30 days, rolling 12 months, or lifetime. If users are looking for a specific time frame, they may also select a custom date range. Users may also filter out specific notifications by severity, category, tags, and equipment. They may also filter out notifications that have been ignored. When a notification appears in Notification Center, the date and time, severity, name, and source will be displayed. You can select any of the notifications to get more information on it as well. If a user wants to export a list of specific notifications, they may do so by selecting the Export option in the top right corner of Notification Center. The export will provide a breakdown of the notifications in Excel format. If a user wishes to set up a report to be emailed to themselves or other staff members in an organization, they can do so in the Email Preferences tab. A user will need to select Add up in the top right corner, enter a name, the specific org or multiple orgs, any tags that are associated with a group of machines, specific equipment, the category and severity of the notification, and then select the recipients of the email. Once the email preference has been saved, it will show up in the list. Users may edit the email preference at any time by going to the specific preference and clicking on it. If a user wishes to delete an existing email preference, a trash can icon will be available in the side window after selecting the specific preference.